Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Binance moves to liquidate its entire position in FTX token, which is FTT. It's more than $500 million, and FTX can be in trouble. Why? Let's talk about it. The second thing what I would like to talk about is Solana's future plans. They have three major ones. One of them is coming out with their smartphone in 2023, but there's two more to go. I'm going to talk about them as well. And the third news is about that UK bank, Santander, will block payments to crypto exchanges. How interesting is that when we're talking about crypto-friendly UK? But the banks, the banks are not that much. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to keep yourself up to date in blockchain and crypto, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also check out the links under this video because there you can find many useful ones. Okay, and now when we look have a close look on the market, we can see that actually Bitcoin is down 2.3% now in the last 24 hours. It makes Bitcoin $20,747. Ethereum a bit more, 3.5% down. With that, Ethereum is $1,574. When we're looking at the top gainers, again, it's a mess, but here Polygon is going up 4% in the last 24 hours. But pretty much that's it. No more gainers. Among the losers, Aptos going down 14%. Then we have Solana down almost 13%, and Immutable X going down 11%. So the market is more red now than green. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see Bitcoin, after we hit this level, which was all the way up to 21,100. What's that? 21,478. Yeah, that was the level. All the way Bitcoin went up. It happened on the 5th of November, and since then we just coming down. I drew here this trend line. As you can see, if we break this level, which is 20,500, and also this yellow one here, then it can go further down, or it will be support for us, and then we can change direction. We will see. Depends on news what we're going to receive, of course. And talking about the news, let's talk about this one here, which could be quite significant, that Binance moves to liquidate its entire position in FTX token, which is FTT, and what can it cause. So let's talk about it. CZ made an announcement and said, yes, it's true that they're going to sell every single FTT token they own. And it's quite a big bag what they have here. Look, CZ said on Sunday that his cryptocurrency exchange is liquidating its holding of FTT, a native token of the rival exchange FTX. The decision follows weeks of criticism directed at FTX founder and chief executive Sam Bankman-Fried for regulatory proposals he put forth in a blog post which recommended restrictions regarding DeFi. And you know, it wasn't that great. CZ didn't like it that much. So CZ said liquidation is expected to take a few months to complete due to the market conditions and limited liquidity. It will also be done in a way that tries to minimize the market impact on FTT. Well, still, let's look at these numbers. On Saturday, that amount of FTT token worth of 584 million at the time was transferred from the wallet to Binance Exchange, according to Etherscan. And this is part of it. And look, when we're looking at here, the token since the 5th of November, you know, it's going down, the FTT token. And also interesting tweet from CZ is liquidating our FTT is just post-exit risk management, learning from Luna. That's some strong words. We gave support before, but we want to pretend to make love after divorce. We are not against anyone, but we won't support people who lobby against other industry players behind their back. FTX. There are some harsh words, and here we have Caroline Ellison, who is the chief executive of Bankman-Fried's crypto trading firm, Alameda Research, offered by Binance remaining FTT for set price $22 US dollar. To minimize the market impact, if that's what CZ is saying. And there are other, gossips that Alameda Research is in a huge problem. So, guys, we don't know what's going to happen to FTX, but just make sure, in the bear market, all these difficult situations, if you keep your crypto on exchanges, please be aware of it, what can happen to it. And if something bad happening to them, you might face some withdrawal problems or something like that. It's not sure, but this is quite a significant amount, more than $500 million US dollar FTT drop on the market. Okay, it's not immediately. It's it takes time to sell, but CZ said they're going to sell it, and that's a big pressure on the price. So we will see how the FTT token can behave in the future, what will happen to FTX. But we do know what happened with Luna and all these guys, with Celsius. I'm just would walk with open eyes. Keep an eye on it. And second thing I would like to talk about is about Solana, which after their 4-day conference unveils a lot of interesting news, promising news. On the other hand, Solana is a bit down now. Why? Because of FTX kind of thing. So there is this conference, the Solana Breaking Point 4-day conference, which is between the 4th and 7th of November, attracted 13,000 people in just one of their 4 venues. It's being held simultaneously. So interesting thing on the roadmap, which include, smartphone. Let's come here down. No. Here we go. So it's made for people, Solana smartphone, said the Solana mobile team, while announcing the launch of the upcoming smartphone. And Cointelegraph found that the pre-orders for Solana mobile phones will commence in 2023. So next year, Solana is coming out with their own smartphone. Second thing, 3 announcements we have here. Solana App Store, a promise of crypto-friendly policies. Gearing up for the Web3 disruption, Solana announced the launch of a Solana App Store. During the conference, a Solana spokesman highlighted that the need for a good user experience in Web3. And one more to go, which is all about that Google Cloud is soon to become Solana node validator. So Google Cloud is building a block producing Solana validator to participating in and validate the network. Google Cloud's blockchain node engine, which was first announced on the 27th of October, will feature on the Solana chain from 2023. The integration will allow users to launch a dedicated Solana node in the cloud. So yes, we can see that Google Cloud is soon to become a Solana node validator. These are all big news. On the other hand, Solana is down because behind Solana, it's kind of Sam Bankman-Fried, who has now trouble a little bit with their token as Binance, as I just explained in the previous news. Binance is just selling all of the FTT, quite a big chunk, which can cause some problems, and it could have an impact on Solana as well. But these news altogether are actually good news in their development. And the third thing is, again, something from this time from the UK. There's a bank called Santander, and they block payments to crypto exchanges. So recently in the UK, when it comes to crypto, all good news, right? Because we have the new prime minister, really crypto friendly, and there's crypto revolution going on and all these kind of things in favor of crypto. But the banks, you do know the banks in the UK think differently than the government. And now we have the UK bank, Santander, will block payments to crypto exchanges. Citing fraud, Santander joins a minority of British banks that are attempting down on crypto investing. UK bank Santander is set to block real-time payments to crypto exchange next year. From the 15th of November onward, payments to crypto exchanges using mobile and online banking will be limited to £1,000 per transaction, with a total limit of £3,000 in a rolling 30-day period, so quite limited. The new rules will not impact the ability of customers to make withdrawals. So you can take out the money, but putting on cryptocurrency exchanges, you will face real difficulties here. In recent months, we have seen a large increase, that's what they're saying, in the UK customers becoming victims of cryptocurrency fraud, said the Santander's spokesperson. We want to do everything we can to protect our customers, and we feel that limiting payments to crypto exchanges is the best way to make sure your money stays safe. I mean, whoever is in crypto should learn that it's your responsibility, whatever you do. And a lot of people risk too much. The people simply should just learn that, it's a really, really new world. And it's nothing wrong with crypto. The wrong is with the scammers who would like to take away your money. So you have to learn how you invest, how to use the tools, and how to keep your crypto safe if you decided to invest in crypto. But a bank doing that for me, to blocking a transaction and limiting, I don't think that's too fair. But as the article is saying, this is the minority of British banks. However, we can see that the banks are kind of against crypto still in the UK. However, the government is now for crypto. So interesting things. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency blockchain news. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, bell button, and then you will get these news every single weekday. Get the notification, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one.